story equals to past tense always. Okay.
Yeah. Hello,
Hmm?
ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm doing good too. Alright, let's start with the session. Now, today the topic of the day is very interesting. That is pop culture. Right? That's the
Yeah.
topic of the day. Right. So before that, we will start with an extemporary. And yeah. Okay. So two topics again, extemporary. First one is funniest childhood memory, and second one is eating things you don't like. Eating things you don't like. Which one you want to talk about?
Mm, Yeah, I want to talk about first one.
Funniest
Funny.
childhood memory.
Yeah.
Tell me what you wanted to say about the topic.
Yeah. I was when I was in class 9. That time I have one friend. She is
I
my
had one friend.
yeah. I had one friend. She is my best friend. Uh,
Was
but she is still alive.
she still with? Oh, she's still a best friend.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay,
So
yes.
she is my best friend. We jealous with to another girl. We jealous to another girls. They are also in same class. But in 10th standard, we always comment on them. We always try to disrespect them. Like sometimes uh, we make fun of them. But in 10th, uh, my friend was failed, and another girl that group in that these two are one is failed. We both become we that failed
No,
girl
I could
also
not understand the last line. Can you repeat that? What happened after all that deal? Hmm.
like there are two groups. In one group, me and my friend, and another group is
There are two girls.
that they are two girls. Yeah, one is failed, and my friend also failed that exam. So we both like we are passed, and we were passed, and we came into the 10th standard, and my friend and that another girl left in ninth standard also. So we became friend, and we failed both of these also became friends. So that was a very funny moment for us. Yeah, it's very hard also because I lost my friend that class. So yeah, I missed that thing. But yeah, it's very funny also. We were very, uh, we can say, dushman. Yeah, this,
We were enemies to each other.
we were enemies for each other, but in 10th standard we became friends. So that was funny incident ever happened
Great.
in my life.
Okay, I'm going to stop the time. Just a minute. So whenever you're talking about a story, you need to tell about it in past tense, right? So we were jealous.
We were
We are very
jealous.
jealous of them. They are also, no, they were also. We make fun of them. We used to make fun of them. One is failed. One is failed. No, one has failed. And my friend also has failed or had failed the exam. Right? In present tense, we will say has failed the exam, or in past we will say had failed the exam.
Yeah,
We were passed. No, we passed the exam, not where. We passed the exam. Okay.
yeah.
All right. Let's talk about the topic of the day. That is just pop culture. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So pop culture is an essential element of every daily life, whether it is through direct or indirect means. People like it so much. Popular culture throughout the year has become a major part of why the entire world is so much concentrated today than it has been before. So, talking about terminology, literary meanings of pop culture, do you know what is fad? F A D. What is fad?
Yeah, fad is something uh, like uh, it's about fashion or yeah, it's about fashion or whatever we have in a very short for a very short period, like
Trend.
trend. Yeah, so trend,
Yeah.
but for a short period.
Fashion, not sorry. Fad is nothing but a trend for a short period of time. So
Yeah,
that's fine. Now, do you pay attention to fads?
not really, but like whatever we used to in our past, we pay attention that time, but not in present.
Okay. So you used to pay attention to fads before, but not now. Is it what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Talking about these things, what were uh, what were some fads when you were in high school, when you were in class 9, 10, 11, 12? Talk to me about some fads that you were following.
Yeah, that time our trend is yo-yo that was given by Honey Singh, and that time also our trend is about Pokemon or Shaktiman like this. These are also a famous, popular things. Or
Have you played that Pokemon game?
no, I didn't play, but I know about that.
Yeah,
But and recently, the TikTok is also a fad
also one
and
of the fads.
90s song, 19 song, 19 song. Yeah, it's also fad.
Okay,
Some people like uh, this song also, but I think it's fad. 90s fashion also fad now.
okay. Talking about fads, tell me about the college fads that you had in college.
All
When you were in college, what kind of fads you saw people are following, or you followed yourself?
yeah, that in college day during college days we usually we
Uh-huh.
use a simple cell phone, which is on which had only keypad.
Hmm.
But right now have a screen touch phone,
We are
the
having.
smartphone. Yeah, we are having smartphone, and yeah, that time we do physical activity. We play game in ground, in field also, but right now we are playing games in our mobile, our cell phone. I think it's also bad.
Okay. Now, talking about fads, do you think that fads and popular culture they're the same things?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, fad is a very shorter period, for very short period, but culture is not for short period. It's a very long,
Prolonged.
uh, yeah, it's a very long time uh, journey, or we can say long term thing.
Okay. Now, talking about this popular culture, what are some of the famous acronyms that you use often?
What, ma'am? Acronym.
Acronyms, yeah.
What is that? What is it?
I use something. So I say that I'll write it down. I will write it down.
Okay.
Do you know what is the meaning of this?
P. Why or P?
No. It means for your kind information. For your
Oh,
kind information. These are called acronyms. Okay.
okay.
Do you use acronyms?
Yeah, IDK, I don't know. Like this?
Yeah, exactly. IDK, I don't know. Okay. Anything else?
JIT, just in time.
Just in time. Okay.
JIT. Or WB,
W.
WBT. What about you?
What about? What about? Okay. All right. About also sometimes we use ABT, about, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now talking about acronym, which acronyms do you find really ridiculous?
Really, really
Ridiculous, funny,
ridiculous,
stupid,
funny.
stupid.
Mm, I don't remember any acronyms, this type of acronym.
I know acronyms, but there are people who will write in only acronyms. Have you seen those people who will only write with acronyms, which is very difficult to understand for
Yeah.
me. I can't understand. Like if I give you a paragraph of acronyms only, it's very difficult for me to understand. So I don't like that. I don't like acronyms. Do you like acronyms in general?
Not that much, but yeah, if we have less time, we are in hurry. That time we can use it, but otherwise we can type full word, full
Full word.
sentence.
Right.
Yeah.
What portion of a generation in the population creates this kind of fads or follow fads in general?
Like teenager also create this type of acronyms, acronyms,
Acronyms.
acronyms. Yeah. Or usually teenagers or uh, like college
Any
going.
kind of, not just acronyms, any kind of fads. They are
Yeah.
generally created by teenagers. Is it what you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, how do fads start and who start them? Today or in the past?
How do I know? It's a very
I
difficult question.
okay. I feel that generally they are started by the celebrities and then people follow it.
Yeah, they are generally started by the celebrities, and sometime in books also they are written, and sometime in music we find
We follow.
something different.
Yeah, but in music, in case of music, then also we are following a celebrity, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. For example, yo-yo, I told you yo-yo.
About Yo-Yo by Mika,
Yeah,
by Honey Singh. Sorry.
honey. Yeah,
Hmm. Right. Perfect. All right. One thing that I have noticed uh, that is more long before Honey Singh, we always show this in case of rock, right?
yeah,
That is
yeah,
also a type of fad, isn't
yeah.
it?
And this is also for
Yeah.
victory.
Yes, V for victory. Also,
Yeah,
yo, we call it like this. So it depends how people are using these things.
yeah.
Great. All right. Talking about coming to overall feedback, we are done with the timing. Um, are you working on your vocabulary?
Yeah, little bit. I'm watching movies, animation movie in English.
Which movies have you watched?
There are so many movies or web series on YouTube. I'm watching this type of content. Like there are short clip to 20 minutes video. I usually watch before sleeping. These are cartoon movies, no, and nothing else. I'm doing this and nothing else.
Okay. Fine, but make sure that you're going through the vocabulary part in the session one. Are you going through that?
Yeah,
Please go through because there are so many vocabularies. For today, there are so many vocabularies. Binge watch, mainstream, phenomena. These are beautiful words that you can use while speaking, not just about fads, but about a lot of things. Right?
yeah,
Okay, good. Please make sure that you are very mindful about your tenses because today you should be using past tense and you have used present tense. So mindful
yeah. I'm
about a
making
story.
mistakes in tenses again and again. I don't know why. While speaking, I'm confused. Like I'm saying right or wrong, and I think that is why I'm making so many
So
mistakes.
whenever there is a story involved, stories you don't create stories on the spot. You create stories, you take it from your past, always.
Yeah.
So story equals to past tense, always. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Any questions, anything that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, whenever we have sessions, we will go through a little bit of vocabulary challenge. Okay, so I'll ask you words from the vocabulary, and you will tell me what is the meaning of the word. All right.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Priyanka.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye bye.